Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin update today. And I just wanted to do a small, very quick conversation about Bitcoin, of course, because the tone is going to be set in the future based on what Bitcoin really does. So let's actually talk about it and let's see what's going on. Now, I actually went on to open up the daily time frame, and I find out that the daily time frame has a very important level that I'm just marking off, and this is going to be the support near the 53,000, or let's just round it off to $54,000. Now here it is. The first touch that happened previously was back in July, and whenever Bitcoin touched this price level, we saw an incredible move to the upside. And then we came down after being rejected into this resistance, and then all of a sudden we came down on August. So previously July was the bottom, and then August 6th, after a month later, nearly a month later, we saw Bitcoin down at 54,000 with the wick even lower to 48,000 very, very quickly. And then from here, we started to go back to the upside. In the middle, we started to go down, retraced a little bit lower, and then we saw 54,000 again on 7th of September. Now, what is common between these three is that this drop happened after every single month. So this took almost 30 days, this one also took almost 30 days, and this one almost took another 30 days. So between 6, or let's just say between 4th, because this happened back in 5th of July, this happened back in again 5th of August, exactly 1 month later, and then another time 6th of September. So it is actually ironic that you still haven't dropped down on 5th of, you see, you can this actually changed. You didn't really touch down on 6th of October, but that pattern has been destroyed. The pattern where you're dropping after every single month, that has actually been destroyed. But what is not destroyed is if you do actually fall down, you have a very similar situation where you touch $54,000, and just like the same way you pushed up like this previous times in history, you can actually touch 54K again and then push back up very quickly. By the end of the month, try to break above this resistance that you haven't been broken, that has not been broken since March, and then you finally go on for the massive bull run to the upside, and have a very incredible bullish November as well. I think if the market ever drops, which I do expect it's going to come to maybe 54K, yesterday I talked about the CME gap, then maybe it's just the most amazing time for you guys to try to get on into some trades, because again, you must take advantage of Q4. It's important. It's just that important. And that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.